Hello students, today we will discuss the next exercise of the lesson Flying Together of class 5th English. So here is a paragraph given, the ant and the dove. So let us read. Listen carefully and try to understand. Look at the pictures also so that you can understand easily. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. He crawled onto its wall to take a closer look. Suddenly, he slipped and fell into the water. He gurgled and panicked and waved his legs in the air. "Help! I can't swim!" he cried. Luckily, just at that moment, a friendly dove flew by. She saw that the tiny ant was drowning and quickly flew to a nearby tree. She pulled off a leaf and let it glide down to the ant. "Here you are," she cooed and flew away. So, आपने देखा किस तरह ये डव एंट की हेल्प करता है. So here are 3 questions based on this paragraph. First one is, why do you think the dove helped the ant? डव ने हेल्प की, एंट की हेल्प की. क्यों? I think the dove helped the ant because she was friendly by nature and so took pity on the tiny ant. Listen again. I think the dove helped the ant because she was friendly by nature and so took pity on the tiny ant. Next question is, how do you think the ant felt on finding the leaf? जब एंट को लीफ मिलता है तो उसे कैसा लगता है? आंसर इज, on finding the leaf, the ant would have felt very happy. She would have also felt thankful to the dove. Listen again. On finding the leaf, the ant would have felt very happy. She would have also felt thankful to the dove. Next question is, have you ever been in trouble like the ant? Did anyone help you? So, try it by yourself. You have to write your experience whenever you have been in trouble like the ant. Did anyone help you? आपको अपने किसी ट्रबल के बारे में लिखना है जब आपको कभी ट्रबल का सामना करना पड़ा और किसने आपकी हेल्प की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, question framing question. We had read in the video of sentences about interrogative sentences. So here are answers given and we have to frame questions for these. We have to frame interrogative sentence. So we frame questions for these answers using where, what, how, who, when, why. Where for place, what for things or action, how for manner, who for person, when for time, why for reason. जहाँ भी प्लेस की बात आती है वहाँ हम वेयर से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करते हैं. किसी थिंग या एक्शन की बात आती है तो व्हाट से क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग करते हैं। हाउ, किसी मैनर की बात आती है, किसी तरीके की बात आती है तो हाउ की बात करते हैं। हु, जब किसी पर्सन की बात होती है तो हु से क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग करते हैं। टाइम के लिए व्हेन से और किसी रीजन के लिए वाई से क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग की जाती है। सो हियर इज एन एग्जांपल गिवन, आई वॉच टीवी इन द इवनिंग, मैं शाम को टीवी देखता हूँ। सो हियर इज टाइम गिवन, दैट इज इवनिंग, मैं कब टीवी देखता हूँ, शाम को। सो व्हेन डू यू वॉच टीवी, टाइम के लिए व्हेन डू यू वॉच टीवी। नेक्स्ट इज आई प्ले गेम्स, मैं गेम्स खेलता हूँ। मैं क्या खेलता हूँ, गेम्स। सो व्हाट डू यू प्ले, व्हाट डू यू प्ले। नेक्स्ट इज आई कलेक्ट स्टैम्प्स, the same as previous, what do you collect, what do you collect. Next is I play in the ground, मैं ग्राउंड में खेलता हूँ। अब ये प्लेस की बात है, so we use where for place. So where do you play, question for this answer is where do you play. Next is on Sunday I go shopping, on Sunday I go shopping. So here is time given, that is Sunday. So we can frame question for this answer as when do you go shopping, when do you go shopping. We can frame question for this answer as what do you do on Sunday, what do you do on Sunday. संडे को क्या करता हूँ, शॉपिंग करता हूँ। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, here are some questions given and you have to give answers of these questions according to you. What is your name? My name is. What languages do you speak? I speak. You have to write these answers in full sentences. How old are you? Next is, which is your favorite food? You have to write it as my favorite food is dash. Where did you go yesterday? I went dash yesterday. Which country do you belong to? When do you go to sleep? Why do you drink milk? So write these answers. Try yourself. And our next question is, we will discuss rest questions in the next video.